detector. So let's get started. So these are the materials we need. So a buzzer, 2 alligator clips, a switch, 2 nail screws, and battery connector, a battery, double side tape, a scissors, a steel scale, and an EVC pipe. So now let's start by attaching the battery. So this is the wire. So these 2 nails are going to be placed at the end of the pipe. So make sure you add the battery closer. So I'm going to be connecting the battery. So now this is our battery placed here. So now I'm going to take a double side tape. So I'm going to be sticking it under the battery. So and I'm going to be placing it here. So our battery is completed. After that we are going to be adding a switch. So the negative terminal of the battery will be connected to one end of a switch. So I'm going to be connecting a end of a battery to a switch. So I'm going to be placing it a bit closer. Make sure you don't stretch the wire. So now again I'm going to be taking a piece of double side tape. So placing it under the battery switch. So connecting it. So after this I'm going to be taking an alligator clip. I'm going to be connecting the other side of the switch with this clip. So it's done. So now I'm going to take the buzzer. So as you can see, the buzzer has 2 rods on it. So the short one is the negative and the long one is the positive terminal. So now I'm going to be connecting this, the negative terminal, and another alligator clip to the positive terminal. So I'm going to be placing the buzzer here using a double-sided tape. So I'm going to be placing the buzzer. So now leave these 2 positive terminals untouched. So I completed the circuit. So the last step is to attach the nails. Cut a piece of double side tape and you can attach it to the near the battery, and you can take a nail. First coil it to the positive terminal at the end. And you can fix it. Again take a little bit long strip. So without removing the cover, you just secure it. So the circuit is connected. So again with the alligator clips, connect it at the end. It's going to be placed over here. And to check the distance, I'm going to be using a scale. So it's equal. So again take a piece of double-sided tape. I'm going to be attaching it. Again you can just stick it. So before securing it, make sure the nails are equal. So using a scale, so just take another long strip and you can secure the iron nail clip. So make sure all the circuits are connected properly. So the nail, So let me explain you this process. So the battery is the main source, just sends the current to the switch. So the positive terminal of the battery is connected to a nail and the negative to a switch. So another part of the switch is connected to a buzzer, which is the negative terminal. A positive terminal from the buzzer is connected to a nail. So make sure if you are using positive to a nail, so connect another positive. If you are using negative, so you must connect a negative. So let us test it out using a scale. We are turning on the circuit. So as you can see, the buzzer beeps when the iron scale touches two of the nails. Even it works on the sides. And so this is all for today. Until then, bye.